Hey guys, JD Bar here, also known as Backlog Warrior. I work on an app called Warrior Deluxe, and a lot of people have been downloading it, and several people have liked it enough that they gave me money for it. And for that, I thank you. And if you're using the free version, thank you. I've been getting a lot of feedback and a lot of support. If you're not familiar with Warrior Deluxe, it's basically an app I made for live streaming alerts and stream overlay design. Also does a lot of other cool stuff, but that's the main focus of the app. I've been putting out tutorials. I've been trying to at least a couple times a week, and I've been getting some good feedback. A lot of you are saying that you would use the program, or you'd be interested in the program more if the interface was better, if it was easier to use. So I've been reading your comments, reading your messages, reading your tweets, reading your messages on Discord, and working on bug fixes all while doing that. And I think I have enough information now that I'm ready to announce I'm working on a massive interface update that will address pretty much everything that I've heard so far. It'll remove all the stupid text boxes. Actually, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So this is basically, let me switch my scene on OBS real quick. There we go. So this is basically what we're looking at right now. A lot of people are complaining, or not complaining so much, but they have an issue with the text boxes. Everything in Warrior right now has to be styled through these text boxes or through CSS code. Most people don't really like it, and to be honest, neither do I. This is basically the bare minimum to get an app like this working. So I've made this image here. My plan is we're gonna get rid of most of the text boxes. You know, stuff like positioning, width, height, all that stuff should be done with the mouse, right? That's obvious. So we're gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on that. There's no we, it's just me. Filters, such as hue shifting or blurs, that's all gonna be in the app as well with no tech. You don't have to code. It's all just gonna be, you know, Photoshop style tools is what I'm going for. In addition to that, we have in Warrior events and actions where, say you get a new YouTube follower, you can change the text on your widget to be red or say a certain thing. And before that had to be all done in events and actions, but we're going to change that so it's all going to be able to be done through the widget editor. There's no code. There'll just be like a drop down box where you select, you know, different events. So say this wooden sign is how the default style looks. I could click a drop down box, change it to new YouTube subscriber, and then change exactly how this wooden sign looks, specifically when there's a new YouTube subscriber. Let's see, what else are we gonna do? Be able to set the CSS according to the events. Yep, that's what I just talked about. And have a time setting, so that way, say you have a new YouTube subscriber, I wanna turn the sign red and have it say, so-and-so has subscribed or username has subscribed. That's going to be easier to do, and you can set it so it'll go back to normal after like 5 seconds. And then this situation we have going on right now, we have to use an action called replace text, and we replace any of the text that's in these curly braces. That will still be in the program, but it's going to be sort of deprecated and replaced with an easier situation. You'll be able to replace text in the widget editor also. So if we get a new YouTube subscriber, you'll be able to just type right here, username has subscribed, and Warrior will be smart enough to know that it needs to replace username with the username. There'll be no further instructions that you have to set up in the program. It'll all just work. And there was some other stuff that I was talking about with my people on Discord. What was it? Widgets will be 10 times smarter and be able to replace their text. I did that tutorial on the rainbow overlay. That will be able to be done with no code whatsoever in this massive UI update, like you guys asked. Those kind of special effects will be in the program as pre-made animations, and you'll be able to trigger animations as event styles for your widgets on certain events. I'll also be adding a new video element, so that way you can show videos on your widgets when certain things happen, since that's been pretty commonly requested. And I'm also going to make it easier to do things like showing your highest donator on your widget, showing your latest subscriber on your widget at all times. Right now you have to like use text files, and it's only in the paid version, but that's going to change with this UI update. Everything is going to be like 10 times easier moving forward. So if you want to stay up to date with me on that, I'll be posting previews as I develop the update on my Twitter at @backlog_W. Sorry, that'll be in the description. And I'll just keep posting previews of the new update. It'll probably take me a little while. I've been doing updates like multiple times a week, but this one's going to be pretty big, so I'd expect a couple weeks, maybe even a month or so if I work on it every day. And yeah, I think you guys will be really impressed with what I'm planning to do with Stream Warrior, and I think you'll find it very, very, very easy to use compared to what it is now. So I'm hoping more people will feel less intimidated. I'm hoping people will feel overall like Stream Warrior is an easy program to use after this interface update. And after I update the widget editors and such, I'll also be updating the chatbot with a whole suite of new features, and it'll be able to have JavaScript plugins so developers can create new extensions for the chatbot. And then also updating the dashboard so that way you can see, your latest subs, your latest chat messages. You'll be able to kick and ban people through the dashboard and manage your chatbot roles and do all sorts of things all in one spot in Stream Warrior on the dashboard. And it'll be really cool. And that'll all be coming in a series of massive super updates. I just got a Facebook message. So I'm gonna leave because I have nothing else to talk about with that update. Follow me on Twitter, subscribe to me, leave a comment if you're excited, leave a comment if you're not excited. Click the like button. I don't fucking know. Have fun, guys. Have fun streaming. Good luck out there. And see you next time.